In a single moment, everything can change. When that moment comes, every action, every second, counts. DroneResponse was created to safely optimize strategic aerial operations and is becoming a leading authority on intelligent, semi-autonomous drone deployment guided by AI. With environmentally aware, multi-vehicle mission planning, DroneResponse deploys rapidly, efficiently, and safely in self-orchestrated flight made possible by a proprietary air leasing capability. DroneResponse incorporates advanced computer vision, supported by a data model trained on hundreds of thousands of aerial images to quickly and accurately identify a missing person, inspect infrastructure, or perform reconnaissance. In targeted operations, drones autonomously coordinate their tasks to collaboratively achieve their mission goals. With the DroneResponse software platform, agencies can deploy faster, safer, and with less effort, gaining a critical tactical advantage in strategic operations, saving time and improving outcomes. DroneResponse, for when it counts.